the ritual begins. 7:04 a.m. The human, bleary-eyed and blissfully unaware, reaches for her milk. A rookie move. A flick of my tail, a paw step of precision. I slip inside, undetected. The door closes. What have I done? The carrots stare first, mocking me with their smug orange grins. One rolls slightly. On its own. Unforgivable. I try to reason with myself. It's just a drawer, a temporary setback. I've bested the blender and outwitted the vacuum. I can handle this, but the broccoli knows. It's seen things. The temperature drops. Condensation gathers. My whiskers twitch. I must move. I'm totally surrounded by containers of butter and yogurt everywhere. And then the veggie drawer. My prison. My stage. I inhale. You will not take me. Island of ice and root. I press a paw to the fridge door. Open. Sesame seed bun. Nothing. Open. For I am fridge cat. First of my name. Hunter of string cheese. Chosen of the chill. Still nothing. I retreat. The cabbage watches. It knows what I must do. Time dilates. Lettuce ages before my eyes. A light returns. The door. Opening. Freedom. I leap heroic, majestic, slightly slippery. The human blinks. I vanish. Back on the fridge. As if I never left. Except, one lone carrot has vanished. I don't want to talk about it. Okay?